Have you ever wondered how some people seem to build wealth effortlessly, while others struggle just to make ends meet? What if I told you there's a time-tested financial wisdom, a cultural secret that has helped generations not just save, but thrive? Today, we're unlocking the Chinese secret to saving money. And trust me, it's about more than just putting coins in a jar. It's a mindset, a philosophy deeply woven into the fabric of the culture. Let's start with the most fundamental concept, Shi Ku, which literally translates to eating bitterness. Now, this doesn't mean you should go looking for hardship. It's about enduring temporary discomfort for a greater future reward. It's the discipline to skip that expensive daily coffee, knowing that the money saved will grow into something much more significant, like a down payment on a house or an investment in your future. It's about delayed gratification, a skill that's becoming increasingly rare in our instant everything world. Think about it. Instead of leasing a new car every few years, you drive your paid-off car a little longer. That's Qi Ku in action. It's a powerful mental shift from I want it now to I'm building a better tomorrow. Next, let's talk about the cultural emphasis on frugality or Jian. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being resourceful and valuing what you have. It means repairing something instead of replacing it, cooking at home instead of eating out, and finding joy in simple, low-cost activities. In many Chinese households, wasting anything, be it food, electricity, or water, is a huge no-no. This habit of conscious consumption naturally leads to significant savings over time. It's about asking yourself before every purchase, do I truly need this, or do I just want it? This simple question can be a game changer for your bank account. It's about seeing value not in the price tag, but in the utility and longevity of an item. So, how do these principles translate into practical everyday strategies? One powerful method is the concept of Shan Chu Hu Jin, which means spend after you save. This flips the typical Western model on its head. Instead of saving what's left after spending, you spend what's left after saving. The moment your paycheck hits your account, a predetermined portion goes directly into savings or investments. It's non-negotiable. This pay-yourself-first strategy ensures that your financial goals are always the top priority, not an afterthought. It automates your success. You can set up automatic transfers to a separate savings account, making it completely effortless. You'll be surprised how quickly you adapt to living on the remaining amount. Another key aspect is the strong family and community bond. Traditionally, Chinese families operate as a collective economic unit. They pool resources, support each other through financial hardships, and celebrate successes together. While this might not be directly applicable to everyone, the underlying principle is powerful. Build a strong support system. Talk about your financial goals with your partner, family, or trusted friends. Having people to hold you accountable and to share the journey with makes it so much easier. You can create savings challenges together, share tips on finding the best deals, and provide moral support when the temptation to splurge gets strong. A shared goal is a goal with double the motivation. Let's also dive into the cultural approach to debt. There's a strong aversion to consumer debt. While mortgages are seen as a necessary investment, racking up credit card debt for non-essential items is generally frowned upon. The philosophy is simple: if you can't afford it with cash, you can't afford it. This mindset forces you to save up for big purchases, which has a dual benefit. First, it prevents you from paying high interest rates that drain your wealth. Second, the time it takes to save for an item acts as a cooling-off period. By the time you have the cash, you might realize you don't even want the item anymore. It's a built-in filter against impulsive buying. Now, let's talk about the importance of financial education within the family. From a very young age, Chinese children are often taught the value of money. They learn about saving, budgeting, and the importance of hard work. It's not a taboo topic. It's a practical life skill. You can start this in your own life, no matter your age. Take time to learn about personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos like this one. The more you understand how money works, the more confident you'll be in managing it. Teach your children, or even your friends. Create a culture of financial literacy around you. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. So let's bring it all together. How can you start applying these secrets today? First, embrace the Qi Ku mindset. Identify one area of your spending where you can practice delayed gratification. Maybe it's packing your lunch instead of buying it. Start small. Second, practice Jian by being more resourceful. Before you throw something away, ask if it can be repaired or repurposed. Before you buy something new, check if you can find it secondhand. Third, implement the pay yourself first strategy. Set up that automatic transfer to your savings account right now. Make your financial future a priority. Fourth, build your support system. Share your goals with someone you trust. And finally, commit to continuous learning. Dedicate just 15 minutes a day to improving your financial knowledge. These principles are not about deprivation. They are about empowerment. They're about making conscious choices that align with your long-term goals. It's a shift from being a passive consumer to an active architect of your financial destiny. This wisdom has been tested by time and has built incredible wealth for countless families. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-wealthy sustainably lifestyle. By integrating these habits into your daily life, you're not just saving money. You're investing in your freedom, your security, and your future. Let me know in the comments which one of these secrets you're going to try first. See you in the next video.